Yo, what's up, guys? It's Chester with another YouTube video, okay? And today we're going to be talking about how you can land your first genuine first offer in high ticket sales, okay? So, without being said, let's get to it, okay? I made over 10K in high ticket sales, okay? In revenue, especially, okay? And it's just simply having a good offer, okay? For the people out there that says like outreaching is dead, and it's true. They're all true. Outreaching is dead, okay? Especially when you say you're a killer or you can make more money for them, or whenever you say give them a chance or give me a chance, whenever you say that, okay, to different consultants, business guys, or any coaches that you message, okay, they're gonna say nothing, okay, because they're gonna think you're a spam, okay. And 9 times out of 10, 10 to 5 different people says the same thing, so obviously they're not gonna message you back, and that just gives you a less lower chance of like getting an actual other DM from them. So yeah, don't do outreaching. Outreaching is dead. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining how you can actually land your first offer, okay? Good, genuine offer that can actually make 3 to 10K a month in your first month, okay? Just having the right metrics and having the things that you would actually get into that first interview with the sales manager or anybody, okay? And then landing your first offer from there, okay? But there's knowledge to this, okay? So I'm not gonna be trying to gatekeep anything from what these gurus have, okay? So I'm gonna be showing y'all how you can do it and what I've learned and what I've done for the past like 5 to 6 months, okay? And so that you're not stuck, okay? So I want you to make sure to get actual, genuine, good information from here, okay? That you wouldn't get from a regular video, okay? So with that being said, if you're ready to make money in high ticket sales, let's keep watching this video. All right. So first off, you got to make your Loom video so you can send to the sales manager or the CEO of the company. So you got to make a Loom video which is explaining your experience. If you don't have experience in sales, so you would just say the intro video, which what you can do for them and how you are as a person and what's your traits and what's your like, I guess, best traits about you and what's the worst traits about you, pros and cons about you, stuff like that, so you can like convince them to actually get you on offer and get you on board. So for example, I'm gonna show you guys. Hey guys, it's a pleasure to meet you. My name is Chester. I'm a sales rep and I have extensive background with B2B sales and B2C high ticket sales. And I hope to leverage my skills with sales for your team and your organization. My skills build up to prospecting and closing deals for Fortune for like 400 to 500K companies, all the way down to small and mid companies. So about me, I'm a killer, okay? I thrive for success, sales, and everything like that. And always learning from my mistakes, always as well. So yeah, and I have an oriental entrepreneurship environment. So I can be, in that mental state, successing every day, having wins every day, having 10 to 12 hour days, making your team the best and always want to be the top rep for your team. My entrepreneurial spirit was built throughout the years as a teen and as a kid. And the reason for that is because my parents were immigrants. They came from Mexico. They came here to the US. They were selling soda cans when. And you wonder where can I apply these? Where can I put in my resume and stuff like that in my intro video? So first off, okay, specifically networking and offers, okay, on these specific apps, okay, WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X. So what these apps have in common is you can network with a lot of people. Okay, you can see everybody's tweets, stories, anything that they post, and you can just sign up from there. Okay, they post job applications, okay, like settings, setting offers, appointment setting offers, DM setting offers, closing offers, revenue company that are making like 0 to 50 to 100 to 500K companies a month. So basically what every app is, Telegram is just for like, networking basically. And I only have one group chat here, but it's not really active. So plus the Telegram too, only have one group chat in, which is a networking space app. So it's not that much. So Instagram is good for networking and having like a social profile. Okay. And what that means is you can follow a lot of people, and a lot of people usually post job applications, which is like hiring setters or hiring closers, which can be coaches, consultants, and business owners that are like posting these stories, or sales managers too. And for LinkedIn usually have like business guys, sales managers usually that are posting like job offers and stuff like that. So you can network with a lot of them. So yeah, man. And also X. A lot of people do tweet a lot. So what you want to be doing is, okay, on LinkedIn and X, you want to be searching up hiring appointment setters or high ticket appointment setting offers or hiring. appointment setting offers or appointment setting hiring, whatever. You can just mix that and then put those two on the search bars for Twitter and LinkedIn. Okay. And usually you want to be following a lot of people and networking with a lot of people so you can keep up with these job applications, because there's a lot of people that are posting job offers for different type of companies that are doing like 0 to 500K a month in revenue. So you want to be doing that. And Twitter is the best. I'll say that. Twitter and Instagram. And I don't usually use LinkedIn, but they usually put a lot of job offers, which is like an hourly base job offer. So yeah, what I recommend is having X and Instagram as, you know, following up with people that are like posting job offers. Now we have over here the group chats, which is school, Reddit, Facebook, and Discord. And all of these apps have in common, which is group chats and communities. For Discord is specifically different because you can pay for offers or you can pay to get in a Discord server for offers. Okay. Or you can pay for something else like coaching, and they may have like job offerings in their Discord server. And these offers are very, very, very fucking good. Like, I'll be honest. I got 8 of them in the past, like, what? It's not good a job jump like offer to offer, because I mean, I'm pretty like stingy on my offers. I'm like a specific person on offers, okay? But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna show you now how you can like search these up and get into them, okay? All right. And now we're on school. If you see right here, memberships, okay? I'm in I don't even know how much memberships, and obviously there's paid ones too, so there's that. Yeah. So obviously I've joined a lot of memberships and groups for high ticket offers, and that's literally the majority of my offers came from in Discord too. And what I did to join a school group is I joined like different people, and what I did is, like, let's say if I join appointment setting clan, okay, we can go online, we can go on somebody right here, and then boom, you can see their memberships. It doesn't matter if you don't like have the same one as in common. It doesn't matter. I mean, if you can just see their memberships and boom, you can just join every single one of these. It doesn't matter. You don't have a limit on how many you can join. Okay, so join as many as possible to get as many offers as you want. Okay, if you don't want one, okay, you can go to the next one, because there's people like putting offers every freaking day. Okay, so for example, let's say here. Okay, you're on this one, job offers. Do this. You see what I did there? Boom, boom. And there's got this guy right there. This guy right there. 2 hours ago, 4 hours ago. Boom, you're there. 2 days ago. Boom, boom, right there. Boom. That's how you get offers. Okay, and there's every single one of these offers right here, like this one right here. You go freaking job opportunities plus new. There's a lot of people right here that are posting every freaking day about new offers, new people to join. And there's obviously no experience required. There's some of them that says no experience required. We got the groups in Facebook. So what you want to do is just like search it up, okay? Search up high ticket sales groups. And boom. Join if you want, okay? But my preference is joining like at least like 4 or 5, so you don't like get caught up with, like, look at this, 20 posts a day. Like, you don't want to get like overwhelmed with every single one of these, like posting every day and seeing all of them, like figuring out what you should take. Okay, stick to one thing, okay, and then you'll be fine. Okay, stick to your preference, okay, because you don't want to be like job jumping to every offer. Okay, so that's literally not what you want to do. Okay, so look at this. I can join this. Just join it. Boom. Pretty much, yeah. And here we have Reddit. So what you want to be doing is going on the search bar and searching these. Okay, search what I search on my search bar, and pretty much you will get on every offer. Or if you want to be on the community, which is this, Reddit is pretty much the community side. So go to communities and high ticket sales. Boom, 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 boom. Join as many as you want. Okay, I don't care, your preference, not mine. All right, over here we got the discords. So basically, boom, 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 boom. So every single one of these are free. I only paid for this one because I mean I was barely starting. It was like it was around like January, not January, July when I started, and I paid for like I don't know $100 for this. So boom, job opportunities. Look at this, 11 opportunities. Just oh my gosh, look at all this. Holy. Anyways, yeah, and some of these you gotta pay for a premium just to get like offers, just like this. Look, hold up. Actually, they won't show, but anyways, yeah. Some of these they do have offers, but some of these are pretty much dead. But yeah, and yeah, I mean this is something else, but anyways, yeah, pretty much, yeah. You can pay for a Discord server, but I don't recommend it because there's a lot of free stuff and a lot of free offers that you can literally just get on. Look at this. What do you want to be going to Twitter or X? Okay, search up on the search bar, hiring appointment setters. You see this? Boom. Oh no. Boom, 7 hours ago. Boom, hiring, 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 hiring. They're all hiring. If you just search up hiring appointment setters, okay, that's pretty much it. And you want to be following this, like certain people too. Like I follow this guy right here. He usually posts like a lot of like roles. So what I've found is LinkedIn, they do have group chats and communities. So you can search up appointment setting roles or appointment setting sales groups and boom, join, 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 whatever your preference is. Okay. So yeah, that's secret sauce right there. I didn't even know that. So I just found that out today. So, anyways, you want to be going on Instagram and Instagram over here. You could just, I mean, really can't do much. It's just the social preference or appearance. But in my messages, people I usually just send over some people like they'll just like put up stories and like everything like that. And yeah, yeah. Sometimes people post stories, sales managers post stories about like job opportunities and stuff like that, so they can yeah. And Telegram only have one group chat here, and this is the only group chat. All right, so that now after we uncovered everything in this video, which is the offer, getting on offer, and how you can search for an offer. Okay, now we're going to be looking at the interview process. So, whenever you're in an interview, you want to be professional as possible. Okay, so whenever I mean by that is clear background is what I have right now, just all blue, I guess, without these LEDs, just all blue. Professional background. Have some good lighting. Okay, I have like a little light over here, so you can see my hand right there. So whenever you have that, it just makes you pop out more, I guess. And have a good button up if you're a guy. And whenever you're a woman, you get a cardigan or a suit jacket and sound confident when you say your experience and stuff like that. And whenever you're explaining them what you do and what you can provide for them, sound confident. Okay. Confidence is key. All right. And limit your filler words. All right. And what I mean by that, if you say okay a lot, if you say, so, because I say that, I say that a lot. And whenever I'm looking back at this video, I'm going to just slap myself every time I say that. Say so, and everything like that. So, and have questions ready for them because at the end, they're going to be asking you, do you have any questions for me? And yeah, just say whenever, just have a list. Okay. 4 or 5 questions. And if the offer owner or the sales manager already answered your questions, have other questions ready, like random ones that pop up in your brain, okay? Because they're probably gonna they're probably gonna answer most of your questions at the end because they're just gonna be explaining how their company is and stuff like that. And over here, we have some questions. All right, so thank you for taking your time out of your day just to watch this. And this is pretty valuable. Okay, this is information that people don't even like exclude and put online because obviously they don't want you to be getting the easiest way to get offers. Okay, so I just unshowed and uncovered everything that you can do on about getting on an offer, getting in groups and stuff like that. So this video is not like a regular video. Okay, just as I said in the beginning. Please like and subscribe. And if you like this video, please like it, share, subscribe to your friends, anything like that. So, yeah, thank y'all. Okay. I'll see y'all in the next one. All right. I don't know when I'm going to be posting my next YouTube video, but it'll be soon. All right. If you want to connect, please DM me um, on my Instagram. Uh, yeah. If you want a mod call, anything like that, I don't care really. So, anyways, See y'all. See y'all on the next one. All right.